Hi, I'm Stacy Schneider, creator of the Downspout Safety Cap. Today I have a tip to share with you that has nothing to do with the Downspout Safety Cap, but I wanted to share it with you anyway. Most of us know how to peel a banana, or so we think, right? We just take the top, we bend the stem, pops open, we open it, mush out the top of it while we're at it, but we get the banana open, right? Well, do you know how monkeys open their bananas? They use the other end of it. They squeeze it, and it opens. There you go. Perfectly open, no bruised top. Banana, ready to eat. A monkey does it a more simple way than we do it, or most of us do it. Did you know that? What else is there in your world that maybe you could look at a little bit differently and improve on? Think about it. Keep it safe.